Welcome to Advantage Chiropractic.
Good morning, Chamber Connection, and good Friday morning to you. And if everything is like it should be, there's a lot of you out there wearing costumes today, and so thank you for that. This is our annual Advantage Chiropractic Chamber spooktacular. One of the things that I would just want to share with today is normally I come up here and I talk to you about subluxation, which we talked about last year. We had the t-shirts, got subluxation. Other years we've talked about the nerve system. And so the importance of today, instead of me talking in front of you, was to have other people share with you a little bit about what is different about Advantage Chiropractic. So again, I thank you for coming this morning, and instead of me talking, how about you enjoy the rest of the fun that we're having here at Advantage Chiropractic.
I'm a gymnast and my back is messed up.
Your back is messed up, and we had the privilege of working with you or checking you the other day and checking your spine. And what did we do? What was that? It starts with the letter S.
Subluxation.
Subluxation. And subluxation are those. How would you describe a subluxation?
Subluxation is something. It's something in your back that it's not its right position.
And then the body's not healthy, is it? That's what we do here at Advantage Chiropractic, is we check the spine for subluxation, right?
Well, it's made a big difference because Michael had numerous ear infections, and we haven't had hardly any now. His eczema, his severe eczema, is almost all gone. And it made a huge difference with that. Jonathan has ADD, and that's made a difference in that. It's made a difference in myself because being pregnant now has helped along with that. And it's helped my husband.
The first adjustment, we saw great results in her colic, and I think by 7 weeks and after maybe 5 visits, she was not colicky anymore. And then we started learning many things about how chiropractic can help boost our immune systems. And so we kept coming back with Amaya and my husband and myself, and we didn't get sick, I don't think, for the first 18 months of Amaya's life.
Awesome.
And then maybe a cold. Never any ear infections or anything.
Say hi, Chamber Connection.